In example 2, we are going to be subtracting polynomials. We are also going to be writing our answer in standard form, so biggest exponent to smallest exponent. In letter A, we have negative 6x to the third plus 5x minus 3, and we are subtracting 2x to the third plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 1. This subtraction sign tells us that we need to distribute a negative to everything inside the parentheses. You can also think of it as distributing a negative 1. Our first parentheses is going to stay the same, so we're going to rewrite it without the parentheses. Negative 6x to the third plus 5x minus 3, and then we're distributing the negatives. So negative 2x, or negative times 2x to the third is a negative 2x to the third. And then we're taking a negative times 4x squared, which makes it a minus 4x to the second. A negative times negative 3x makes it a positive 3x. And then a negative times 1 makes it a negative 1. From here we can do what we did in addition, and now we can combine our like terms. So looking for our biggest exponent, which is 3, we have negative 6x to the third and a negative 2x to the third, which would give us negative 8x to the third. Then we're looking at our next exponent, which would be a 2, and we have a negative 4x squared. So this we get minus 4x to the second. Then after that, we're looking for something smaller than 2, which would be 1. We have a 5x, and we have a 3x. So 5x plus 3x would give us a positive 8x. And then finally, we're looking for our constants. We have negative 3, and we have negative 1. Negative 3 minus 1 would give us negative 4. And this would be our final answer. If we move on to letter B, we have 4x squared minus 1 minus 3x minus 2x squared. So this first set of parentheses is going to come down without the parentheses, and then we're going to distribute the negative to the second set of parentheses. So it will look like this. 4x squared minus 1. Then we're taking a negative times 3x, which would give us a negative 3x. And then we're taking a negative times a negative 2x squared, which would make that a positive 2x to the second. Then from here, we're going to go ahead and combine our like terms. So we have 4x squared and 2x squared, which would give us 6x squared. Then if we take a look at our next exponent down, we have a negative 3x, but nothing to combine it with, so we keep that as minus 3x. And then finally, we have our constant, which is a negative 1. Nothing to combine it with, so we leave minus 1, which is our final answer. Now what I'd like you to do is take a look at the try this. I want you to do both of those and then check your answer. So you can hit the pause button now and unpause it when you're ready to check your answer. The correct answer for number 1 should be negative 4k to the second plus 11k minus 3. And for number 2 should be negative 13x squared plus 17x minus 11. If you got any of these wrong and you have a question, please raise your hand and I will come over and help you.